iya. Oh iya mas, berarti itu aman ya. Karena udah SMP sama masak apa? Oh ya udah berarti bisa ya Minggu pagi nanti kita berarti dari ini jadi jadi TK. Itu Mas Akbar saya bisa mentok mobil yang Mas Akbar juga sih di situ kan di kantor aja gitu kan. Tapi kalau balik-baliknya kan jadi sistem mobilnya kan dibalikin ke kantor lagi cuman yang minggu kan nanti bakal dipakai dinner lagi ya si DJ aku suruh grab sekarang itu kali ya. Mas Akbar nanti ikut dinner gak? Ikut lah, aku ngajakin semua sih semuanya. Karena maka kenapa harus ada taruh di rumah setiap wajah karena mau kok karena pasti mau aku ajak dinner ini pasti mau ya aku yakin. Iya. Ya udah nanti aku ajak tadi Devin sih bilang katanya oke tapi dia lihat dulu kalau ada game tapi kan dia gamenya banyak ya kalau weekend. Enggak sih biasa aja santai aja nanti si Diki juga aku bilang takutnya sih si Diki pakai jazz jadi gitu kalau dinner pakai jazz ya garapi aja lah ya pakai sandal jepit oblong banget lah. Ini yang maksudnya kayak santai. Aku ceritanya paling ada romantis tapi nggak yang ini banget. Soalnya aku rencananya undang beberapa alumni Waisoli juga kan. Sama ada orang Waisoli yang mau datang satu nanti dia mau stok bayi gitu si Bang Putra. Jadi nanti mungkin kalau misalnya masa kerja ikut nanti bisa kita kayak pakai tiket mobil yang tadi Bekasi itu karena jemput bandara paginya itu dibawa dia aja sama Sakbar itu biar nanti ini gitu gimana apa apa nggak kan sebenarnya mobilnya yang penting dibalikin lagi pas malam gitu lah nanti paling habis dinner ya nanti habis dinner aku ya kita nganterin si DJ ke hotel nanti aku ikut itu dinner mobil sama aku karena kan sebenarnya aku juga di hotel di lainnya di dia itu kan tapi siaran kayaknya pakai kamera ini ada. Tapi aku kalau nggak akan pakai yang tiap hari banget, kayaknya paling kan lihat-lihat dulu sih. Nah paling nanti aku habis dari itu balik ke kosan ini, kayak gitu. Terus yang Selasa kan kayaknya yang ke Blok M itu ya, itu kayaknya nggak usah pakai mobil kan, itu tutup yang harus itu aku itu gimana itu kalau nggak salah sebenarnya ke Blok M. Monas kan nggak bisa di hari itu kok Selasa sih. Aku ngomongnya hari kedua itu udah pasti nih di ini itu oh ya siswa terus blok M ya satunya ini blok juga yang berarti betul lagi ya dari siswa hmm. Tapi yang ini Tara tuh balik ini dari balik di Jogja nanti di Semarang nanti dia juga wajah iya tayang itu ini yang dari bilang masuk di Patreon tapi aku tanya dulu oh iya ya berarti tapi menurut Mas Abur itu hari kedua diajak ini nggak apa-apa nggak sih sebetulnya kayak gini baru nyampe baru diajak jalan-jalan ini di sebelah ya kak di bagian itu bisa oke oke paling kalaupun memang ini kan biasanya sebenarnya ya udah mungkin yang ke blok itu ya udah bisa dibantu yang kecil kampung atau apa gitu ya coba ada lagi yang lain gitu belum jadi aja ya nanti setelahnya dari sih ya kita sekali dari sini ini langsung ke sini langsung ke sini sampai brown terus makan bakso aja di rumah jadi istirahat tapi nanti kita lihat kondisi juga berarti tetap butuh mobil ya hari Selasa itu berarti coba join deh oh ya kak ini terima kasih ya ya udah berarti gitu dia ya kak hari Senin hari Senin gitu ya
tes nggak ada tes
dari coba tes sama loading nih Oh, sebenarnya dari ini
Mhm.
dari kantor juga. Jadi nanti kita bentuk CDJ, terus ke sektor itu. Terus nanti yang masuknya kayak mana itu mobil?
Oh kak, kalau masuk ya.
Oh ya udah mas. Sama itu berarti. Itu udah di itu kok. Ya udah. Sekarang sekarang pulang.
Nah ini kayaknya udah mulai
Oh
masuk.
kak,
Oh ini. Ini enggak sih?
Ya udah masuk tadi beberapa
oh kak,
langsung.
langsung.
Yang bisa pakai mobil tapi
Ya
emang
coba itu.
ini.
Halo kak, oke, ya ada. Oke,
Suara masuk ya? Oh,
ini kan suara aku nih.
coba
Tes.
Jadi
Maksudnya Kak Iren ngomong.
Berarti kan hari ketiga itu yang hari yang mana yang bisa bawa mobil?
Iya deh. Ya ampun Medi selamat ya. Nanti kita ada celebration kecil-kecilan.
Oh my
Kita ada
God.
meeting aja ya.
Udah kan udah tahu kalau mau berkelas.
Itu kayak urusan sih Medi. Ini aku sebenarnya. Oh, jadi itu kan. Jadi dasar.
Jadi pokoknya
Oh, ada sekarang.
kok ada SD. Kan gua mau 300
Satu tiga lima. Oh, kamunya udah ada speaker sih. Itu lagi kan. Oh itu tadi masuk.
Oh ya udah ya nanti aku udah cek yang di dekat lagi. Kalau mau apa nggak ada ya udah rekor dulu aja. Nggak usah nggak ada. Paling itu aja sih kan kayak sampai sini kan udah masih di DPK sama dan doang kan itu sebenarnya DPK juga nggak masalah nggak jauh gitu kan kasih request.
Kalau ini dari rumah atau dari rumah?
Aku lihat aku asal terlalu ya Kamis juga sama ke DJPK.
Gak ada yang datang sih. Belum ada sih kan.
Ini gitu maksudnya.
Oh, itu biasa sih dia mentor. Kita di situ aja.
Tinggal jadi lagi.
Pusing aja udah kelihatan.
Kenapa ya aku nggak tahu nih? Aku nggak tahu nanti.
Oh enggak, nanti kita datang ke Bukan yang tentang bisnis.
Aku sih melihat
Apa
apa
aja sih? Operator aja. Di situ lagi ada orang
aja aku tuh enggak tuh.
ini loh yang
Malah lebih cepet ya naik
ya lah itu ya. Berapa kan? Emang di mana? Mobil.
Kita beli barang
Bener apa? Lu buka jendelanya ya kak.
saya sih kayak gitu di joki ya paling paginya kalau tidak kalah dengan hari kedua nanti mau apa nih
Ada orang nonton tuh Palangkaraya loh.
Aku mau ya, aku mau
Iya.
antar dia di satu, tapi aku nggak mau di luar kota. Cuma nggak enaknya aku tuh pulang sendirian di BJA, nggak ada yang pulang bareng aku
paling
gitu.
enggak maksudnya paling
Kalau
enggak
aku
mau besok
antar
atau
ke
ribet mau masuk dari
aku
sini
bisa
nggak bisa ngomong
kalau
dulu
aku kalau kamu
dan bisa
pada
kecil
mereka
kan
semua.
nanti paling kalau dari besok kan kalau
Di CPB ya?
cuma satu dua paling berapa juga berapa
di mana?
Sebenarnya nanti memang aku coba cek lagi ya di dua minggu.
Re-entry kan? Udah di BJA.
Oh, kalau ini nggak di entry itu.
Itu re-entry.
Tapi di DJA. Di DJA kan di.
Ketua kalau
ya
yang itu ya belum ada nggak diminta sama keluarga belum. Kenapa SDM? Makanya saya
Pindah di level berapa?
nggak
Tapi ada saya kan nggak ada. Makanya kayak maybe ketemu.
Oh, jadi harusnya nggak aku di harusnya sama lain.
Nggak harusnya aku deket banget ya. Ada yang beberapa yang entry-nya di satu.
Nah, kameranya deket banget. Kalau sih
Soalnya angkatan yang kemarin personal kameranya agak kesana. Kecilnya udah kecil. Mereka harus outputnya nanti.
Nah, Iren aja yang gede.
Kalau kamu output berapa ada?
Kajian ini sih jam
Masih gede.
BPJS.
Coba sini aja kak.
Ya aku kok nggak mau kelihatan.
Biar kecil.
Tapi semua orang yang BJA di BJA sih nggak ada yang
Ini udah jam berapa? Ini kan jam 5 ya, kita update dulu.
Keren banget tuh sih Egi. Anjay.
Datang apa?
Biasanya sih memang ada telat itu Kak.
Tapi online. Oh nice. Berarti jadi itu nggak?
3 minggu ini offline tuh harus masuk.
Nice.
Nah, ini. Kita ininya di awal kan redaksi di awal ya. Ini sudah TW.
Siapa sih namanya? Oh, laki. Salah. GI.
Jadi aku
Kira ini Elmi ya.
masa.
Gramarian tapi kan udah dikasih skripnya belum buat Gramarian
Nah, ini
yang buat apa
perkenalan.
tapi kalau dia bisa mah bisa. Yang penting kita kasih dulu ya terserah dia. Kamu tuh hari Rabu dari sini apa udah di sana Kak? Di PP?
Dari sini, soalnya siangnya udah pindah di PKD. Jadi buat apa ini?
Oh itu kan dia juga ya.
Kalau nggak ST kan? Aku nggak enak mau minta ST. Soalnya kan langsung ketemu sama kabarnya di saya masih kita apa nanti. Jadi kayak nawarin juga, oh nggak minta juga sih. Soalnya kayak itu kan dari Kementerian Keuangan juga kan tempat-tempatnya. Enggak, aku nggak mau karena kita juga wisata. Aku bakal ada di Jogja 3 hari kan, dan itu hari libur sih. Terus kayak nanti ada yang ke ini nggak sih kayak ke kantor-kantor orang gitu. Jadi
Oh, sini yang fellowship.
perkenalkan tak buka lagi ya? Lagi nggak? Belum buka lagi yang buat tahun depan.
Iya,
Kemarin
tapi emang bukanya nggak bulan-bulan ini.
Bukanya Agustus.
Bukannya bareng sama sekolah sih di sana Agustus aplikasi.
Mas Egi beli kopi bersama. Oh, iya iya aman-aman. Yang belum ada berarti kan kalau TK udah semua ya kayaknya. Belum akar ya. Belum sama kayak Ilmi. Belum ada yang datang ya tadi. Oh, online aja. Ini bener nggak sih Egi? 1541 yang sama yang di itu kan yang ini gitu. Ya Allah, nih walau rasanya ada yang lagi.
Berarti gimana 9 bulan di US?
Hampir tuh 2 tahun tau Kak. Karena kayak hampir setahun ya. Kayak lama banget. Tapi kayak lama juga.
Udah daftarnya susah ya?
Kepengurusan aja belum selesai minggu depan.
Iya. Dia berangkat sebagai sekretaris.
Dia berangkat itu jadi sekretaris. Aku mau update nih. Ini nanti sudah muncul ya.
Nanti sudah muncul.
Di ini online.
Enggak di
IG.
Enggak, nanti tuh aku ajakin ke tim persamaan juga. Buat ini buat yang musik DJ itu kan. Dia lebih takut dari teman.
Aku nanti jangan terlalu capek. Tidur itu. Harus survive balance nanti sama si orang.
Hai Egi.
Hai.
Terapis yang
Aku pertama kali kenal dia juga ngomong.
Ini kenapa tak teman banget gak bisa diklik tuh. Apa mau pakai punya aku aja nggak? Oh mau ganti coba. Coba deh. Tapi kamu udah login tos? Oh nggak apa-apa bisa. Enggak Kak. Coba nih ya aman. Kamu mau pindah ke sini nggak? Soalnya ini kabelnya cuma sependek ini doang. Tapi kamu malah cara nge-freeze sendiri Kak. Ini udah muncul nih ternyata. Oh ya udah kan berarti itu aja. Ini dulu aja ya. Kita ya. Astaga, aku siapa? Chat to be boss. Ini sebenarnya aku gitu. Dari mana? Dari mana ya? DJP kata ya. Halo, Mas Masa Ilmi.
DJKN.
Mas Masa Akas.
Ada orang US. Gimana kangen Jakarta?
Ada orang US. Terus aku ngeliat-ngeliat terus siapa orang US tapi yang tahu maksudnya.
Gimana kenangin Jakarta, Medi?
Semua panas banget kayak gitu. It's scorching hot. I cannot even comprehend how you guys
Iya,
are
sampai.
30 degrees Celsius. Oh my god.
Welcome back, Medi.
Ini benernya nih.
Oh, we have Egy too.
Oh, tapi ya sedikit.
Hai,
You know that we're actually
Minggu
suspicious. What
Okay.
Ya.
Really? Not to brag, but a lot of people like edit my lineage. I don't even know.
Because it's so cool, like Harvard Law School.
Aku malah balik gitu loh. Aku kayak gara-gara mertua aku like kamu gitu guys. Oh, ternyata aku belum nih kamu media. Aku juga dia kayak
Oh my god.
oh kira kamu
Tidak
ada
ada
lagi.
beda.
Soalnya kita yang PNS nggak begitu berkelas sih.
Ibu cuma masak. Lu ada lah LinkedIn. So kayak males. Captionnya tuh nggak penting kalau orang tuh kayak bikin esai gitu kan.
Iya, panjang
Kalau tuh
banget.
kayak caption IG. Caption IG apa
Pakai ChatGPT aja kak.
Iya kayak bikin. Aku tuh bikin itu pas lagi aku jalan-jalan kan, jalan. Jadi aku tuh bikin kayak, ini bikinnya di HP gitu. Dari mana?
Kayak sebetulnya Toastmaster Ismi ya.
Pakai merah ya?
Ada.
Bersih apa? Ojek.
Sebetulnya
Oh, ini beda ya.
Sebetulnya Toastmaster Ismi ada.
Halo.
Halo, are you from Director General Asset Management?
No, I'm from DGP.
DJP?
Yeah.
Taxes? Is it taxes? Tax or
Yeah,
asset?
yeah.
Oh, I think it's not our first time here.
It's not real time.
Oh,
It's been here.
oh yeah. I think she's here.
Ya
Kan is it your first time or how?
Ada pikiran mau ngomong apa udah.
This is my second time.
I think you came last week, right?
Oh.
I remember she
Last time I attend here, also at the
Where tax office are you right now?
Bangka Tax Office.
Bangka.
Oh. Wis. Hey, welcome to the Toastmaster Ismi. So happy to know that they are meeting from Hungary. Oh yeah. Hey, maybe we can start ya. So actually they're only
keluar ke kiri,
we only have
ke kanan.
I think so to the
Kanan.
Toastmaster Ismi is already not
Apa aja dari kanan.
Ismi is already not about art club ya.
Ya, kita yang enggak join.
Oh, karena kemarin kamu nggak datang ya?
Ya udah nggak
Halo kakak-kakak, Kak Medi, glad to see you back.
Lagi, I was in your campus with Aan.
Oh iya, tadi sama Aan, Kak.
Ya, akhirnya.
Aku belum balas kamu lagi, nanti aku balas ya. Semua udah capek banget aku kok chatnya kayaknya nggak diterima ya banget ya. Oh, dia lagi bangun. Jadi kelar apa terus 16 itu kelar? Enggak ya? Acaramu kelar kan belum? Bilang.
Di sini tuh kapan sih? Maksudnya di sininya udah dari kapan?
Hari Minggu besok nyampe.
Oh, besok.
Malam banget.
Karena itu ada yang kami. Dan tidur. Okay, so maybe we can start our club right now, but maybe yes. Waiting for ini deh, Amy. Introduction.
Oh, ya ini kita suara Alvin.
This is Sponsor Alvin. So he's already become our member. Yeah. Alvin Madia. Yes. Yes, video is for
Oh my god, a lot of progress.
Yes. I think
Only 9 months left.
are you also a lecturer? Yeah, Toastmaster Alvin in PKN STAN.
When?
Are you also a lecturer? Docent in PKN?
Oh, yes, when 2018, yeah, I'm lecturer in Pakistan.
Rektor at school.
Lecturer.
Oh,
I want to be a lecturer. Okay.
Deal. Cara bacanya gimana sih? Kayaknya ya. Harusnya arti dong.
Maybe next week you want to try to take a role in our meeting, Toastmaster Alvin.
Maybe I try. Accountant or Toastmaster
On the meeting?
of the meeting or accountant?
Oh, it's okay. It's whatever you want to pick the role. So from the meeting, it's okay. You can learn about the role today because we have full role. Yay!
Okay, I will try to learn today.
Absolutely. Okay, Toastmaster Arvin, and maybe you want to start. Okay, Toastmaster. It's okay, we start. Toastmaster Eki, what is the
Eki.
what is the program?
Eki.
Oh, harus saya.
Lupa harus ada ya.
Okay, guys, so maybe we want to start our meeting. I want to share my screen. Yay!
Tadi kamu tuh kasih induction itu nggak masuk ini ya?
Baru ketemu. Oke,
Maksudnya betul-betul bukan.
ya.
Kamu ada teksnya?
Ada di sini.
Ayo udah kayak sini.
Thank you, Mimi.
Tadi baru.
Okay, so to begin our meeting for today, I want to say welcome to Ministry of Finance Toastmasters Club. We have many people in here. Oh my God, in online room, you can see many people, and new member also in here, and also our long lost member from And we want to start our meeting with the induction of our new member, which is Toastmaster Anons, which is Egi Anon. What is the full name of yours? Ahmad Al-Mukni, or we can say as Egi. So before that, I want to begin our induction ceremony. No. Okay, so maybe later I will call you to stand in here, but before that, I want to say the inducting sentence to you. So, fellow Toastmasters, it's now our duty and privilege to induct one new member into the Ministry of Finance Toastmasters Club. This is an important occasion both for these new members and for our club. These individuals have come to Toastmasters seeking to improve their communication and leadership, and we will have an opportunity to help them learn, grow, and succeed. I will now call our new member forward and join me to the stage. Please, guys, withhold your applause until the ceremony is complete. So, Egi, you are joining a worldwide organization that has helped more than 4 million people to learn and communicate more effectively. As members of Ministry of Finance Toastmasters Club, you will benefit from a proven program of self-development. You will become part of an outstanding group of people who are dedicated to help others. So, in here, I want you to say the word that I will say at first, and then you can repeat the word that I said at first. Okay, so in here, before that, I want to say that membership in this club and in Cosmos International is a fabulous step and carry many benefits and rewards. Yet it also places certain obligations upon you. We are a group of people brought together to things, and we are in here want to learn together. So that's why we want to work together. So we ask our new member, Egi, to dedicate yourself to personal growth, to share great gift with your fellow members, and to help keep this Toastmasters Club strong and dynamic. So please affirm your membership by repeating these following words. You can see the words in front of you. I, Egi, in the presence of my fellow members of the Ministry of Finance Toastmasters Club, just repeat.
I, Egi, in the
Belum share. Dan just scroll to the right sampai kanan terus.
Nah, oke. Oh, ini nyambung ya?
Yes, extend.
Ini nggak sih?
Ya.
Satu. Ini.
Oh, ya.
Sorry banget guys. Not tadi saya bilang.
Okay, so
Wait. Alright.
Okay, so Agi, please every member sit by repeating these following words. You can see the words in front of you. I, Agi, in the presence of my fellow members of the Ministry of Finance Toastmasters Club,
I, Agi, in the presence of fellow members of the Ministry of Finance Toastmasters Club,
make this firm obligation
make this firm obligation
to attend meetings regularly and prepare fully for each assignment,
to attend meetings regularly and prepare fully for each assignment,
to apply myself to the projects outlined in the Toastmasters Education Program,
to apply myself to the projects applied in the Toastmasters Education Program,
to participate actively in club activities,
to participate actively in any club activities,
to evaluate others in a positive, constructive manner,
to evaluate others in a positive, constructive manner,
to build open, friendly relationships with my fellow members,
to build open, friendly relationships with my fellow members,
to bring other new members into the club so that they can also get the benefit of Toastmasters.
to bring other new members into the club so that they can also gain the benefits of Toastmasters.
Okay, so I have seen. Okay, to strive for fun and growth together.
To strive for fun and growth together.
Okay, so in here, that's remark our new member, Toastmaster Agi. We can say right now it's not again to be Toastmaster Agi, but right now officially we can call Agi as Toastmaster Agi. So in here, everyone, I give you 1 minute, maybe in online room and also in offline room, to say congratulations to our new member, Toastmaster Agi.
Well, thanks for the congratulations. Let's grow together. Let's grow together. Ini stop sharing.
Okay, maybe we can stop sharing.
Kayaknya.
Maybe we can see the people in the Zoom.
Yay.
Yes.
Gimana caranya?
Okay, maybe I can.
Please go back. Come back to your place.
Okay, so it says I will call welcome to Ministry of Finance Toastmasters Club, and as I said before, and the people in here before say to you, let's grow together and let's run together in here. Yeah. Thank you. You can come back again to your class. Okay. And we want to start our meeting. So happy to know that we get our new member. And right now we want to welcome our Toastmaster of the meeting that is far, far, far away from US. Oh my God. And to our Toastmasters of the meeting, Toastmaster meeting. The stage is you.
Harvard girl. See. All right, good evening, everyone. Before we start, I just want to make sure, am I clearly audible and visible to you guys? All right, so welcome to Ministry of Finance Toastmasters Club weekly meeting. It feels so good to be back. I've been missing you guys so much. It feels so good to attend the meeting in my normal schedule. Whenever I joined the meeting from my campus back then, I had to wake up so early because with 12 hours time difference, it means that I had to attend the meeting at like 5 a.m. in the morning, which is it was not subuh time yet there, so I have to like leave in the middle of the meeting to pray. But in here, not tahajud lah, 5 a.m. 5 a.m. there. But the subuh there is like 6. So I'm like, I already like wake up, I did my tahajud before coming to the meeting, but at 6 I have to like go to pray. But here I am talking normally with you guys, having to put on things on my pajamas and things. It was so good to be back. So it's such a pleasure. And today we're going to have a fun meeting because I think this theme, our VPE got his inspiration for me because today's theme is work, save, and travel and repeat. I mean, that's what I do mostly. I work. My study is my work because I went to Bel. And then I save my money from my sponsor to go travel, and then I will repeat. So today, I think we're going to talk things about your traveling, about your holiday, and things that you do in the middle of your work. Today, we're going to have the full agenda. So today has been such a delight because we have full role takers. We have full agendas. So without further ado, I'm going to move to the next agenda, which is the introduction of our role takers that will be given by our GE, General Evaluator. Back to you, Toastmaster Iren, the President of Instructor and Toastmasters Club.
Yay! Thank you, Toastmaster Nady. So right now I am as a general evaluator right now, and I am in here right now. It's not alone because there are many evaluators in here also, and maybe I will start to call the first evaluator. It is timer.
Ilmi.
So Toastmaster Ilmi, are you ready to deliver your role as timer? Toastmaster Ilmi, the screen is yours.
Okay, thank you so much, Madam GE. Hi everyone, I'm Ilmi as your timer today. So basically, timer have a duty to count all of your time because in Toastmaster we count all of your time while you speak. So when you pass the limit from your speech, you can count as a favorite prepared speech or maybe table topic speech. So I will show you how it works when the sign is green. For the sample is like this. Oh, maybe I will like this. If the time like this, so it's mean you pass your limited time, which is you will count as you eligible to count as a favorite prepared speech or speaker. And when I show yellow ones, then your time, you still have time for 13 seconds. And if I show you the red background, it means your time is past, but you still have a time around 30 seconds. That's from me. Back to enjoy this meeting. Back to GE.
Thank you, Toastmaster Ilmi, for the explanation of your role. And right now we will move to another role in evaluation session, which will be counter, and it is Toastmaster Rita.
Hello, good evening, everyone. So my name is Toastmaster Rita, and I'm going to be your counter. So as the counter, just like the name implies, I will be the one who will try my best to put attention to all of the speeches and try to note every use of filler words like and then repetitive words or meaningless words. So we tend to use that kind of words whenever we buy time to think. And I just did that. So this is something that we will try to to be more aware of and then to improve together. So in the next few hours, maybe just try our best to give your speech, and I will do my best to pay attention to the use of the words. And then I will report my observation to all of you in the evaluation session, and we will learn together, hopefully, from that evaluation. So I think that's all from me. Back to you, Toastmaster Iren.
Yay, thank you, Toastmaster Rita. I have another role taker. It is Gloria, our word of the day, that will be explained by our very new member. The sponsor Egi, you can explain the rule of yours, and the sponsor Egi, the stage is yours.
Good afternoon, everyone. So I should know that this is kinda my really first meeting as a member. So I'm a grammarian, and I'm just taking care of how you choose a word, how you choose tenses. And actually, I don't. Actually, some people here are better than me and saying some like grammar things. So I'm just trying my best to do the grammar. So let me explain the word of the day. So actually, this is my first time this word. The words of the day is pomegranate. I don't know how to pronounce it correctly. It means travel or wander, run from place to place. Or in Indonesian, we can say it's bertamasya. And example of using the word is we peregrinated over Bogor and visited the Istana Bogor. Just something like that. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
And last but not least, I will call our ballot counter to explain about his role. Toastmaster Akara, our ballot counter, the screen is yours.
Hello, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Toastmaster Akara, and I am your ballot counter for the day. So the purpose of the ballot counter is to collect the votes of who you guys think are the best speakers, best table topic speaker, and the best evaluator. The way I'm going to be collecting the votes is through personal chat. So at the end of the meeting, once the timer has delivered his or her timer notes, you guys can immediately personal chat me on who you think is the best prepared speaker, best table topic speaker, and the best evaluator. And we do need to take note of the eligibility that will be delivered by the timer later on. So that's all. Thank you.
Thank
Back to
you,
you,
Toastmaster
G.
Akara. So that's all the rule for the presentation in the last session. And without further ado, we want to go back again to our Toastmaster after meeting. Toastmaster meeting, the stage is yours.
All right, thank you so much, Madam G, and the staff of the role takers. Thank you so much for taking the role today, especially for Toastmaster Egi. This is his first time as a member, and he's grabbing the grammarian role, which is pretty hard for everyone. So kudos to Toastmaster Egi. And now we are ready to embark our first main agendas, which is the prepared speech. It's been a while since I listened a live prepared speech, for me at least. So I hope this will encourage other members to deliver their speech. And the speech will be introduced by the evaluator, which is Toastmaster Ilmi. So Toastmaster Ilmi, please introduce your speaker. The stage is yours.
Okay, thank you so much, our Madam Toastmaster of the meeting. Oh, it is. I think I am the one who are waiting for the prepared speech from him, and his speech for level 2, project 3, which is his last project for level 2. And his purpose to deliver the speech is to clearly define how Toastmaster envisions mentoring, and also to share some aspect of previous experience as strategy. The speech length will be 5 until 7 minutes. So can anyone help the timer since I am become a evaluator for him?
I can help you. I will help with the
Okay, thank you so much. TM Akara, from stage fright to spotlight. TM Akara, from stage fright to spotlight. TM Akara.
Toastmaster Ilmi, can I check my audibility first? Just in case, yeah. Hello, everyone. Can you guys hear me okay?
Raki, are you using any PowerPoints for your speech?
Am I using what?
PowerPoints?
No.
All right. I think for the timer, we're going to share screen. Is it okay?
It's okay, totally okay. But does my voice sound okay, Kak? Because I'm currently outside.
Always, my baby.
Good and
Audible, yes, you're audible.
Can the host let me share my screen and make me co-host?
I'm afraid of any little background noises because if you guys can see, like some people are just going through,
No, it's
passing
clear.
through and stuff. Yeah. Okay.
So can I introduce you repeatedly?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Toastmaster.
Okay, Toastmaster Akara, from stage fright to spotlight. From stage fright to spotlight, Toastmaster Akara.
Esteemed Toastmasters and guests, the first time I delivered an icebreaker speech in Toastmasters, the title was Growing Wings. It went along the lines of imagining that you're trapped in a cocoon, desperately wanting to spread your wings and take flight, but the fear of the open sky holds you back. That was me, a nervous caterpillar dreading the thought of public speaking. Then, like a blessing from God, suddenly a ray of sunshine broke through. The Ministry of Finance Toastmasters Club. The decision to join this club wasn't just a light bulb moment, it was a complete metamorphosis. With the guidance of the incredible mentors I met through Toastmasters, I transformed from the stage fright caterpillar into a more confident Toastmasters butterfly I am today. I speak before you not as a seasoned speaker, but as a fellow member of this wonderful club. Public speaking used to be my personal kryptonite. My voice would seize up, my palms would turn into slippery sponges, and the idea of facing an audience sent shivers down my spine. That's when I discovered a magical bullet. I convinced myself that the only way to overcome this fear is to look it straight in the eye and challenge it. Being paired with a mentor, someone who had already conquered the public speaking Everest and was willing to be my Sherpa, was a turning point. The mentors weren't just a feedback machine. They were a cheerleader, a coach, and most importantly, a believer in my potential. One of the most profound lessons I learned wasn't about fancy speech techniques, but about the foundation of a speech, which is the preparation. Before I could say that my speeches were cobbled together affairs, more like nervous rambling. The evaluations and advice I received instilled in me the importance of crafting a clear message with a strong structure. They emphasized the power of practice, not just memorizing, but actively rehearsing to deliver with impact. We even employed some rather unorthodox techniques in table topics to have a safe speech ready beforehand and try to relate it to whatever prompt they throw at me. Doing all of this has brought me beyond conquering stage fright. In fact, I really do think that I still have a long way before I truly feel comfortable speaking in front of an actual audience. Doing all of this was also about unearthing my own voice, helped me identify my strengths, both in terms of delivery style and the topics that I gravitated towards. They encouraged me to push boundaries, to experiment with storytelling, inject some humor, or even share a touch of vulnerability in my speeches. This exploration sort of helped me to try to connect with audiences on a deeper level. The journey wasn't only a walk in the park. There were moments of self-doubt, of wanting to peregrinate back into the comforting shadows. But that's where the true beauty of mentor relationship shone. Mentors acted as my rock, the voice of reason, reminding me of how far I'd come. We celebrated every victory, no matter how small, and tried to learn from every misstep. Today, I speak before you as a semi-transformed individual. I can deliver a speech with more confidence, my voice ringing clearer instead of trembling. I've discovered sort of like a way to communicate, to connect with audiences and share my ideas. And most importantly, I've gained a newfound belief in myself, a belief nurtured by the unwavering support of my mentor. Toastmasters Pathways programs aren't just about building skills. It's about building confidence, fostering lasting connections, and empowering individuals. It's a testament to the power of mentorship, a testament to what happens when someone takes the time to invest in another's growth. So, to all the mentors out there, a heartfelt thank you for your dedication and unwavering belief in your proteges. And to anyone who is currently considering joining Toastmasters or joining the program of the Pathways, I urge you to take that leap of faith. You might just surprise yourself with what you can scale. But the benefits extend beyond the individual. The Pathways and mentorship programs foster a vibrant collab culture. Proteges become active participants, taking on roles and contributing fresh perspectives. This injects a new energy into the club, creating a dynamic learning environment for everyone. In conclusion, joining Ministry of Finance Toastmasters Club is sort of like a win-win proposition. It empowers individuals, strengthens clubs, and ultimately contributes to the Toastmasters mission of building communication and leadership skills. So if you're looking for a way to overcome your fears, discover your voice, and become a confident communicator, then the Toastmasters Protege program is the perfect springboard for your journey. Now, as I speak before you, wings unfurled, I want to leave you with this thought. We all have the potential to be magnificent butterflies. The Toastmasters Protege program is the chrysalis that fosters growth and empowers you to take flight. Don't be afraid to break free from your cocoon, join the program, embrace the transformation, and take your communication skills to soaring heights. Thank you. Back to you, Toastmaster of the meeting.
Everyone, please give. Kadit, the timer. I'm so sorry. All right, everyone, please give a round of applause to our butterfly Toastmaster. Congratulations for finishing your speech. We are so glad that Toastmaster could equip you with this wing that hopefully will help you peregrinate towards every stages in the world and you can conquer it. Okay, so we're done with the first agenda. We're ready to embark the next agenda, which is the table topic session. This is your chance, everyone, to deliver your speech, and I'm going to give the stage to our beloved table topic master, Toastmaster Aan. The stage is yours.
Thank you, Master.
Kamu pakai everything.
Yes, Kak.
Nah, aku ikan aku.
Thank you, Kak Manager. But I have not joined the Zoom meeting.
Okay.
I already shared the script. I already shared the PPT to Kak Zana.
All right, please.
Thank you, Kak Man.
Then you I'm not tech savvy. You don't want to transfer your laptop to me.
Wow, interesting.
Thank you so much, Akara. First of all, I would like to say thank you very much, Akara, for the presentation. It's like very cute.
Oh,
Yeah, it's from Akara.
it's from Akara. Wait.
Lucu banget nih.
Yeah.
Animation. Oh my god.
Animation.
Okay, welcome everyone to table topic session. Woo. So we have 9 questions that have been prepared by Toastmaster Akara, our PPE. So 9 questions for 9 participants offline and also online. So hopefully all the participants here in offline group, and also in the online group, can participate in our table topic sessions.
Okay.
All right. So first of all, without further ado, let's go to the first question. But before, I would like to remind all of the participants to use our WOD, which is peregrinate. Maybe Clayton, can we go to the next slide? Okay. Wow. Yes. Peregrinate. Don't forget to use our WOD. Okay, first question. For the first question, I would like to give a privilege to the first speaker to see the question first before they raise their hand. Okay, maybe we can go to the next slide. That's a good idea. Okay. This is our first question. So, who wants to be the first speaker? Yes. Tell us about a country you would like to visit.
I will not.
Can you-
I will not. My manifesting.
Manifesting. Okay. If you can hear our first speaker.
Okay.
Wait, you have to check with the timer.
Yes, I'm ready.
Nice,
Okay.
Yay.
So yeah, hi, good evening, everyone. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and guests. I actually have two countries that I always have in mind. The first one is always Switzerland. If it's for
Oh.
vacation, vacation
Destination.
yeah, a vacation destination because I am very fond of mountains,
Oh,
greeneries, and fresh
wow.
air. So I'm more into a mountain person than a beach person. So I really want to go to Switzerland to experience the mountain culture as well. You know, like the prosotan from the mountains going down. So it was like, I think it's something that I really want to do. And the second one is actually Madinah. So this is something that something that I just have in mind like recently, like for the past few months, and it feels like I think this is a destination that most of Muslims have, and I think this is something that I really want to go in life as well, especially for Umrah, because for Hajj, and this is the season of Hajj, right?
Yes.
But I haven't really thought about that. But for Umrah, I think it's something that I really want to do. Hopefully, in the next few years, I don't really know, but I really want to go there. And I always imagining myself like peregrinating through
Wow.
the Kuba, not the Kuba, the not the Kaaba, the
Masjid
yang
Kuba.
paling itu kan.
Oh,
Nabawi, Masjid
Umbrella.
Nabawi Mosque. So I always imagining myself like walking along that umbrellas. I think it will be such a beautiful experience to have, especially as a Muslim, because it will be some kind of like sentimental journey for all of us. So I think that's the two countries. I'm so sorry I put two countries here because you will only ask for one country, but I have two. So I hope you're okay with that. Back to you, Dr.
From global to Sweden.
Yeah,
Mountain person.
Yeah.
Okay, this is, you know, guys, this is one of the best Friday since the first plan of Dhul Hijjah.
Oh, yes.
Friday, yes. Hopefully, Kadita's dream can become
Amin. Everyone, Switzerland and Makapanan.
Amin. Okay, next question. Who wanna be the speaker? Please raise your hand. Maybe from the online room. So the Vitas Master is me. Do you want to give a shot for the next question? Okay, or maybe Toastmaster Arvin. Toastmaster Arvin, do you want to try?
Okay, I will try.
All right.
What's
thank you,
the question?
Toastmaster Arvin. I think this question fits you very well since in the previous meeting you give a speech about traveling, Toastmaster Arvin, yeah. Okay, Toastmaster
I
Arvin.
think.
Yes. The question is, what
Oh.
kind of transportation do you
Okay.
enjoy the most? Okay. Toastmaster
Okay.
Arvin, what kind of transportation do you enjoy the most? You may have the floor.
Thank you for your apa?
The opportunity question.
Question.
Your opportunity.
All right.
I love the traveling. Every year I do peregrinate
Oh, please.
every year. And for this year, I have done peregrinate to 4 countries in Middle East, Uni Emirat Arab, Jordan, Saudi Arabia, and Oman. But about transportation, I enjoy is ship.
Cheers.
Yes, because it's maybe my experience. When I go to travel, when I live in Papua, I always use ship. Pelni ship is the big ship, so it's comfortable for me for use the ship. It's the best experience, and I love to the transportation. So I afraid about use aeroplane because until now, if I go to another country with aeroplane, I'm still afraid. So this is my experience. Thank you.
Wow, what a nice transportation as ship. I guess that everyone also enjoys ship, but we don't have many experience to enjoy that. We don't have many opportunities. I mean, for example, because we usually use the airplane instead of ships because it takes time sometimes.
Yes.
Okay. Without further ado, since we have limited time, next question maybe. Yeah, Terus Mas Raffi, please invite one of us in the offline room to be the next speaker. Who will be invited by you?
Next, online or offline?
Offline. So from online to offline, offline to online.
Dita, I just Dita.
Terus Mas Medi.
Dita is yang the name of Dita. Dita.
Oh, Dita
Already.
Yeah, yeah, that's the
Doing
first
creatively.
Yeah, the first speaker.
So you can use the other members.
Yes.
Maybe.
We have Terus Mas Iren.
We have President Iren, we
Terus
have
Mas
Medi, we
our
have Egi,
secretary, and also Terus Mas Egi, our grammarian.
Medi.
Egi.
Oke, Egi.
Okay. Mas Egi, so the question for Terus Mas Egi is. Okay, how do you record your memories when traveling? The stage is yours.
Okay, so if we're about to talk about how we record our memories, then it should be like we take some pictures or take some videos. But for me, I barely take any pictures when I go traveling or videos. But I took it, but not as much as most people do when they're traveling. I guess not trying to be a pick me actually, but but I'm not just that kind of person because I don't know. I just love enjoying things because for some. So I'm a person who loves to go to the place where we can meet like many people. So I'd rather go to a city like Singapore or Bangkok or Tokyo or something like that instead of going to place with great scenery.
Without people.
Yeah, so I love enjoying seeing new things, seeing the new culture or custom that people do that is like really different than what I do in my place, something like that. So how do I record my memories? So I'm just enjoying it in my mind and I'm just recording it in my mind, guys.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Ms. Master Egi. So actually, we always get new insight from the tabletop speech delivered by Ms. Master Egi. Since last week, we learned about the psychological side of beach and also mountain. Okay. It actually relates to introvert or extrovert person based on Ms. Master Egi's speech. Thank you, Ms. Master Egi. Please invite one of our online participants to deliver the next speech.
Only Terus Mas.
Yes, Ms. Master. It's me.
Yes.
It's Suha. Oh yeah.
It's me, Suha.
All right. Terus Master, it's me. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, so the question for soon to be Toastmaster is me. So sorry. Oh my god, I just mentioned Toastmaster. Maybe that's it's a manifestation. Yes. Okay, for soon to be Toastmaster is me, Suha. What is your biggest motivation to travel? What is your biggest motivation to travel? You might have the floor.
Okay, thank you for giving me opportunity as to be Toastmaster or guest. Well, can I be frank here? Actually, I'm not very fond of traveling. So yeah, I'm rarely the travel around the world, pilgrimage, I mean. But if I want to travel, my biggest motivation is studying. That's
Amin. Wow.
I have a dream to study abroad, like somewhere in Europe or US, to learn about economics, of course, taxation too, because they provide a better education in there in something I enjoy. Actually, my top priority is Europe for the, how do you call that? For the master degree, but I haven't reached the diploma or for that diploma, so that's a long talk to about. Oh,
It's
I have,
okay, you can do it.
okay. I think that's all. I'm not very fond of traveling, so yeah, that's not much to talk about. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Well, a great motivation, yeah. Hopefully we can also have the same motivation with Certificate Master is me too, and also while studying, maybe we can also enjoy the nature or maybe the culture of a country that we travel to. Okay, thank you so much, Certificate Master is me. So please invite one of the offline Toastmasters. We have Toastmaster Kiran and also Toastmaster Medi. Whoa. Toastmaster is me. Who will be invited by you?
Toastmaster Egy again aja.
What? Toastmaster Egy. Who?
Okay, and Dita.
We have Toastmaster Kiran and also Toastmaster Medi.
Okay, maybe yeah.
Right. Oh, Toastmaster Medi. Our table, our Toastmaster of the Medi. Yay. So, what is the question for Toastmaster Medi? Okay, Kak Med, the question is, you go solo traveling. Previously, I see your Instagram, you go with your family, Kak. Yeah. Okay, you may have the floor.
All right, hi everyone. This question was one of my big question in life, like 2 months ago. So I went to study and I had this like long holiday before my commencement day, and I didn't have any schedule plan. I thought it would be a good thing for me to travel. I had this soulmate back in my school. Her name is Erin, and I asked her, "Would you go with me to places that I've never been before?" And she said, "No." She was broke. I'm not. I wasn't. So she decided to ditch me alone. And during that time, I've been thinking, should I go solo traveling? Because in the US, it wasn't very safe for women with hijab. And I'm Asian, and I'm small, and I'm cute, and I'm rich. To solo travel. To solo travel. But guys, I don't think that I would have this chance anymore. I don't think that I would go back to the US. I don't think that I would have this amount of money to travel. I think sometimes being alone doesn't mean, sometimes it means you don't have any commitment. You can just like go. You don't have to wait for your children. You don't have to ask for your husband's permission. You don't have to ask for anyone's permission. You can do anything. So I decided to go solo traveling back then.
Wow.
I went to 3 states. I went to Chicago, I went to San Francisco, and I went to Las Vegas. It was a very tough choice to make because it's been notorious that these 3 places are pretty dangerous, especially in Chicago, because there were like many assault cases that happened to Indonesian students there.
Oh my God.
So I was so nervous, but then I had so many Ministry of Finance Toastmasters or Ministry of Finance staff that study in Chicago. One of them is our founding daddy, Toastmaster Yoga. And I traveled alone, but there I wasn't alone. I met all of my friends from the Ministry of Finance and then the non-Ministry of Finance who study in University of Chicago. So I never found myself alone. And then in San Francisco, I met my master friends on accident. So at the end of the day, I traveled with them. So I flew alone, but I met them on there. But I went to Las Vegas, so I peregrinated to Vegas alone, and I stayed there alone because I didn't meet anyone there. And I thought it was so weird because I'm going to casinos. I went to weird places with weird people and everything alone. But then I just felt that sometimes the crowd, they're strangers, but because they're crowded, it feels like you're not alone. I'm often. So yes, I would go solo traveling. I did and I will, because guys, believe me, it's so life-changing and it makes you love yourself more and you believe in yourself more that you can do anything without anyone.
Wow. Thank you so much, Master Freddy. What a great closing and also great motivation from the speech. Okay, thank you, Kamet. Okay, Kamet, please. Okay, we
So we still have time.
yes, we still have maybe 5 minutes with 2 speakers since we have 2 sessions left. So Master Ilmi, are you able to deliver the speech or you are still preparing for the evaluation?
Oh no, I think I'm available.
Oh, nice. Okay, Miss Master Ilmi. So, Kairan will be our last speaker.
Yes.
So nervous. Okay, the question for Toastmaster Ilmi is. Can we go to the next slide, Kairan? Okay. Okay, Kak Ilmi or Toastmaster Ilmi, how do you save up money to afford your travels? Okay, I also see your Instagram story about this, Kak Ilmi, about how you manage your money for traveling. Okay, we have the floor, Kak Ilmi.
What a question! Because I live way far away from the center of city, which means I live in Kalimantan, which is give me more cost to go travel. If anyone here ever lived outside Jakarta or the central of the city, can you please raise your hand? Yes, I think that's the difficulties that I found because I love traveling, but in here in Kalimantan, it cost me a lot to go to travel around the Indonesia, especially. Or maybe if I want to go to Singapore, it's too far from the Kalimantan. If I want to go Malaysia, I have to at least give 10 day of my duty to go there. So it's quite a lot of struggle to save my money to travel, which means I have to save money. That maybe for me, save money means I have to switch my happiness. Maybe if I cannot travel, then travel to another city, then I can travel in Kalimantan. So last previous years, I think 1 year from this year, I go to Pontianak and also Balikpapan. It still cost me a lot, but at least it give me happiness. So my message from here is when you are maybe don't want to save money to go travel, that's okay, totally okay, as long as you find your happiness from what's travel on your life within. It's just walking around on your dormitory or whatever it is, just do what makes you happy. That's from back to you, our Tom.
Thank you very much. So, yes, for the motivation for us guys to go travel. And last but not least, I would like to invite our president of the club to deliver the speech. Okay, guys, you are our last speakers. You have a life or maybe a privilege to see the 2 questions, and you can see the question first. We have 2 questions.
questions and you can choose which one will be answered. This is the first question. And the second question is in the next slide. Yeah, this is the second question.
Susah. What would you do if you aku udah mulai minus deh.
What would you do if you ran out of money?
Yes, run out of money while traveling.
You go broke suddenly lah.
You won't be like
The first question is about what ya kak?
Apa? Oh, mau bikin plan or just go with the flow?
Yeah.
Okay. I think I will come with the first question.
Okay.
Because I've never been broke.
Love that confidence.
Okay, so when traveling, do you like to plan or go with the flow? Okay, so I have experience when I went to Singapore with my friends. So
The timer is ready?
yes, that's the first time for me to come to another country, and in that time, I was really tight to make an itinerary. Like at 7 a.m. we have to wake up, and then 9 a.m. we have to take a bus to this place, and then 10 a.m. and every hour we have a schedule. And do you know, at that time we were very, very tired. Like we didn't enjoy it because in every hour we have activities to wake up, to go on the bus, to go on the train, and if you know, we have 3 places in one day because we want to tie the schedule right, and we don't want to take the, you know, nama rugi ya, because we want to maximize our day in there. But then I learned, I think that's the role of me. I think it's okay to make an itinerary, but do not stick with that itinerary every time. And later that, when I went to another place again, the Singapore for the second time to watch the play, again time I learned from my previous learning. So I don't want to make a tight schedule, so I just go with the flow. But I just make a big schedule. Like this day, okay, watch a play and just that. And then next day to go shopping like that. But I didn't make a tight itinerary. So because when you just go with the flow, you can make something new and you can see the new things in the country and in the city that you visited. But it's also okay if you want to go with the flow, but I think I also recommend you not just go with the flow, but you can just make a big schedule that is not really detailed. A big schedule like the first day, which place, and then you just go with it. So you just have the goals that you want to visit, but you also go with the flow. That's all from me.
Thank you so much, Kainan, for the closing speech. Okay, so yes, actually, peregrinating teach us how to manage the time, how to manage the time, and yes, I believe that we can learn a lot from the experiences of all the speakers today, like how they manage the time, what is the recommendation, the places to visit, and many things. Okay, that's all our table topic session for today. I will give the control back to our Toastmasters of the meeting. Toastmaster meeting. Yay. I don't know how to stop share.
All right. Thank you so much, Professor Aan, for leading the table topic session so well. It was so fun. Thank you so much, everyone, for participating. I think that's the perk of having like small participation in a meeting, meaning everyone gets the chance to speak, and which is nice. So everyone can have the chance to hone their speaking skills. And now we are ready to close our meeting with another agenda. But first, we're going to take a picture together. So everyone, please turn on your camera. Put on your best smiles. For the offline settings, let's go. I think over here.
All right.
Since Cousin Franklin, I think he's praying. Terus Master Akara. I think Master Akara is also like, okay. Barusan mau dimarahin, where are you?
Terus Pastor Ilmi, can you just take a picture of us ya?
All right, I'm going to make the final call for Toastmaster Arvin. Toastmaster Arvin, are you there? If you are, please turn on your cam because we're going to take a picture. Toastmaster Ilmi, can you help us take the picture from your computer?
Sure. But how to make you guys the most huge? It's
I
okay.
think you should pin us.
Oh, okay.
Can you pin us? No, because you are the not a host. No.
Okay.
I don't know.
Or herself maybe.
Yeah, you have to unpin yourself and pin other people.
Okay.
Unpin yourself.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay,
All right.
the offline first, yeah. From the offline first, then I go to the online. Okay, I will take a picture from the offline first, yeah. From the offline first, one screen, 1, 2, 3. Again, wait, hold. I will take online too. Online, we both hybrid. Okay. Okay. Done. Again. I can do it again. Okay.
Thank you, Professor Ilmi, for helping us taking the picture. And now we are embarking the last agenda of our meeting, which is the evaluation session. And I'm going to give the control to our general evaluator to lead the evaluation section. So our GE Mr. Iran, the screen is yours. Oh, the stage is yours.
Thank you, Toastmaster Randy, and we will move to our last session, which is evaluation session. And before I deliver my evaluation for today, I want to call our timer first. Toastmaster Ilmi, are you ready to deliver your report about the time?
Hi, am I clear?
Yes, Toastmaster Ilmi, the screen is yours. No, wait. Okay, okay. Sorry guys for my mistake because we already heard about paper speech from Toastmaster Akara, and right now we want to hear from our evaluation section. It is personal evaluator that Toastmaster Ilmi will evaluate Toastmaster Akara. Toastmaster Ilmi, are you ready?
We should find the timer.
Okay. So,
All right.
okay. So Toastmaster Lita will be the timer. Toastmaster Ilmi. Toastmaster
Okay.
Ilmi, are you ready?
Sure.
Okay, Toastmaster Ilmi, the screen is yours.
Toastmaster Akara, from stage fright to spotlight. What awards today we all learn together. Please give round of applause for Tem Akara. We see that you are the most weighted speech for this program because you are the always being grammarian and you are excellent at making words. We find a lot of quotes today, like the first one. We celebrate every small victory. Yes, that's the habit that we found on Toastmaster. It shows that you are a good mentor because you also give us the vision and mission of being a mentor. First one, we have to be a cheerleaders for our protege. And the second one, we also have to be their teacher. I mean, not a teacher, but a mentor. And the last one, we have to give them at least evaluations for making their speech better every day. So today, I'm gonna give you maybe a speech for the evaluations that will help you, hopefully will help you to emphasize and level up your experience while giving a speech. The first one, you are good at giving a story. You are put your experiences while becoming a prodigy. You mention your mentor and you feel grateful for being a prodigy and get a lot of life lessons from your mentor. The second one, you show your confidence with the clear intonations, the body language and you are seeing us eyes to eyes, it means you are already comfortable with the room. And the second one, you challenge the audience. It means you are connected with the audience and you give them the importance message for being a mentor on Toastmaster. But today I'm gonna give you two advice to make your speech more advanced. The first one, can you please give an example while you become a mentor and while you become protege? Because in my notes, you show us your experience while you become a protege. But we believe because you are a PPE for this Toastmaster Club, I'm sure you are already being a mentor for several people. So just show how when you become a mentor. So it can boost our confidence to become a mentor like you. The second one, because this speech have a goal to define Toastmaster mentor and protege. The last one, you can also ask the experience of the audience first to connect, to embark, or to bring the experience from the audience. That's from me, but overall, we all enjoy your speech, and I'm looking forward for your next speech. Thank you. Back to you, our GE.
Okay, so thank you, Toastmaster Ilmi, for delivering your evaluation session to Toastmaster Akara. And right now we will move to another evaluation session that will be delivered first by our timer. Toastmaster Ilmi, are you ready again to deliver your speech? But right now, to deliver your report in timer.
Oh, sure. Can I get my time?
Yes, okay, so Toastmaster Ilmi, okay, you can take your time to prepare your report.
Maybe
So,
you can call for,
Toastmaster Ilmi,
you can call for,
okay, so maybe we
Another-
can go for another letter first. So Toastmaster Ilmi can take your time, and we will go for a counter. Toastmaster Dita, are you ready to
Yes.
deliver your report?
Yes.
So, Toastmaster Dita and a counter, the stage is yours.
oh, wait a minute, yeah. I think I'm going to stand here because I will need to,
Gede amat kayak
huh? Oh,
It's really yours.
oh, ini. Apa ini maksudnya screen ilminya? Apa ini?
Maksudnya di situ kan
Oh, ini kurang ya?
slide.
Ya, ini itu tuh di situ soalnya.
Okay, hi, good evening, everyone. So I think I'm going to deliver my evaluation from here, but I don't think you can see me, yeah?
Yes,
Yeah,
Actually.
ini gini, wait.
You don't have
Oh,
I bring you.
No, you don't have to like.
lupa ya,
dikembalikan lagi.
I'm so sorry for the ini ya guys, keributan di
Okay. So for as we always do in the beginning of the evaluation, it's actually me. So I really want to remind everyone that the best feedback is what we don't want to hear. At times, when you come to Toastmasters and you see that everyone seems so good at speaking English, and then you try to speak and then you make mistake, and then we spot your mistakes, it might feel bad and it might feel like, oh my God, I'm not as good as everyone. But this is how we improve because we are aware of the mistakes that we make. So please bear with the evaluation. It's not, I won't bite. So from my evaluation, I think Toastmaster Akara and Toastmaster Lady are the ones who didn't mention any filler words. So as for me, I believe I mentioned filler words, but I don't evaluate my own self previously. As for Toastmaster Arvin, Toastmaster Ilmi, and Toastmaster Irene, I only spot like one a slight and then Toastmaster, soon to be Toastmaster is me 2 and then Toastmaster Egi also 2 and also I noticed that Toastmaster Egi previously mentioned like okay, but when you were trying to find words previously like okay, right? So that's how we improve because we become more aware of the words that we tend to say. So for example, maybe your comfort filler words was it's okay, and my is more into like so sometimes every people has some kind of like different filler words that they don't usually aware about it. So this is how we improve because we are aware of the filler words that we use. So hopefully in your next speeches, you will be more aware of how you usually mention that. So one of the tips that they usually, not they, I think it's someone from TikTok, mentioned about how to reduce the use of filler words is like you can still move your mouth, but you don't really bring the sound out of your mouth. It's like nice tips. It's pretty hard actually because I've tried it several times. It's easier to control it, but it's one of the tips that you can do. If you are still starting to reduce your filler words, the first one you can do is to breathe. Don't forget to breathe in your speech whenever you speak, and also to slow down. Usually slowing down will make you be more aware of the words that you want to say next. And also pause, don't forget to pause. Don't go like in Jalan Tol, I don't really know how to say it, but yeah, this is like try to have some kind of pauses in your speech, but not too long pauses. We usually call it as careful pauses. So don't be too long and too short. And then one of the tips that you can do if you feel like, oh my God, I use too much filler words, try to record yourself because sometimes you're not really aware that you use filler words in your speech. So you can try to record yourself and then try to notice what kind of filler words that you use and when usually that filler words comes out of your mouth. So I think that's all. Hopefully this can be something that we learn from today and then we can improve in another day. So that's all. Back to you, Toastmaster.
Thank you, Toastmaster Dita, for such a comprehensive report and your suggestion to us about how to tackle all of the filler words. And right now, we want to move to our timer report. Back again to Toastmaster Ilmi. Are you ready to deliver your report?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, Toastmaster Ilmi, the screen is yours.
Okay, thank you so much, our GE. Basically, everyone, congratulations for finishing your speech, whether it's prepared speech, double topic speech, and also evaluations, because it's not easy to give awards to the audience. Please give round of applause for all of us. Okay. I will report this time report on the chat. I already sent it. You can see it. We have a lot. Every speaker eligible to be voted except our madam, our best speaker for today in my heart, because you tell a story a lot. Then you spend 3 minutes, 50 seconds. So you are ineligible to be voted, but all of the speaker is eligible to be voted. But yes, we enjoy the speech today and we get very great experience from today's speaker. Thank you, everyone. Back to you, our GA.
Okay. Thank you, Toastmaster Ilmi, for your report. And we want to move. So, guys, because you already know about the time report, and you can choose the best double topic speaker. And of course, we've already know the best previous speakers and best evaluator. And we want to give a vote to our best double topic speaker. You can chat Toastmaster Akara. And maybe Toastmaster Akara in the offline room, we will send you via WhatsApp ya, Toastmaster Akara. And that's all. And we want to move to our grammar. Toastmaster Egy, are you ready?
Okay.
Yes. Do you want to share the screen?
Actually, it's just the coret-coret.
Oh, okay. Toastmaster Egy, the stage is yours.
Okay. So guys, hello guys.
Hello.
I'm the freshman who's gonna
Freshman.
who's gonna give you some grammar reports. So actually, most of the improper grammar used by the people here mostly is, I think it's really a really normal improper use of the grammar because like tenses or the plural nouns, because we don't have that in our mother tongue. So that's really normal for us to make a mistake when we're using it. So it's just like when we're trying to tell a story, actually we should use the past tense because the thing is actually happened in the past time. So we should use the past tense when we're trying to tell a story. And then I actually found some words. It's just like I hope you okay. Actually, when we're talking about grammar, it should be I hope that you're okay. And then thank you for opportunity. So actually every noun should be followed by an article. So it should be a, an, or the. So instead of saying thank you for opportunity, you can say thank you for the opportunity. And then the use of the passive voice in the words. So instead of saying who you'll be invited, I think it's better to say that who is gonna be invited, who is going to be invited, because it's a passive voice. And then about the plural things, so because we don't have that in our language, so it's kind of hard. So we sometimes make a mistake when we're saying like two persons. Actually, there ain't any. The person is singular. When you're trying to tell it in plural noun, it should be people. So it's instead of saying two person, we can say two people. And then there is the eyes to eyes. So instead of eyes to eyes, it should be eye to eye. And then which mean, it should be which means, because which is singular. And then there are some, I think it's an improper pronunciation, like schedule. Actually, it's not schedule, because I know that there is an AD there, but it should be schedule. And then bill, so instead of will, so we remove the U, so it should be bill. And then because, so instead of because, it should be this.
Alright.
Okay, that's all. Thank you,
Cool. Thank you, Mr. Egy.
sorry, no.
Okay,
I want
okay.
to say some things. Actually, about the words of the day, only two people that spotted saying word of the day. It's Toastmaster Medi and Toastmaster Dita. So if also Toastmaster Ilmi. So if me doesn't see that.
Thank you, Toastmaster Egy, for delivering your report. And I think all of the collaborators in here is already delivered their report. And it's my turn to evaluate all of the meeting. Maybe I want to start from the first. The first is the beginning of our meeting. I think we started that, yeah, because maybe we waited for the other role takers, and I think it's okay, but we can control it until the table topic sessions, and even that all of the people in the online and offline group can participate in the table topic session, and it's a really good thing. And I also want to give the appreciation to Toastmaster Akara that make the creations, and also to our Toastmaster master, Toastmaster Aan, for conducting such a fun meeting for today. And also I think in here we can see the preparation for Toastmaster Akara for completing his level 2 project, and also for the comprehensive evaluation session from Toastmaster Ilmi that can build, maybe that can give the evaluation, yes, and that can build Toastmaster Akara speech more again in the future. So thank you so much, Toastmaster Ilmi, and thank you so much for all of the role takers in here. Counter grammarian that delivers such a comprehensive report. So I think that's all from me for this whole session, and we hope we can have another fun meeting in the next week.
Yay!
I will give it back to Thomas. I'll give it back to Thomas. The stage is yours.
All right, thank you so much, Toastmaster Iran as our GE and set of role takers. You've done a very good job. And now I'm going to check with our ballot. Are we ready for the winners?
Yes, Kak Medi, we are ready for the winners.
All right, so without further ado, I'm going to give the control to our baby Akara. The screen is yours.
Thank you very much, Toastmaster Medi. So good evening, everybody. We have all the votes ready. For the host, can you please allow me to share my screen because we are going to have certificates just like last week.
Wow.
Okay, thank you
Okay,
very
always.
much, Toastmaster Ilan. Okay, because we only have one prepared speaker and one evaluator, maybe it's kind of obvious who the best prepared speaker and evaluators are. So let me just.
It's
It's kind
unprecedented.
You take picture of yourself lah.
a narcissistic move
Yeah, you take picture of yourself lah.
to be writing my own name on the certificate.
Yeah,
All right,
for yourself.
let me take a screenshot first. Okay.
I think you should take off your glasses because it reflects the light.
That's the problem with my glasses.
Handsome.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Take your own picture, make your own certificate.
All right. For
Announcement.
the exciting part, the best table topic speaker will be Toastmaster. Wait, that's what. Toastmaster Dita today. So to Toastmaster Dita, would you please?
Kemana?
Ikan lepas makan.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Please pray for me, everyone. You can also give me money so that I can go to Switzerland.
Oh iya, ada botol. Tisu toilet.
Next.
Bapak lagi
Toastmaster Dita taking a photo in the offline room. Okay.
Alright.
Alright. Dari Kak Iren tisunya. Tisunya dari Kak Iren.
Bentar, ini digede dulu. Wait. Ya kan nggak sih? Nah, nggak juga ya. Reflect ya. Oh, iya, nggak apa-apa. Yang penting kan foto offline.
1, 2, 3.
Wih.
1, 2, 3.
Congratulations, Toastmaster Dita.
Thank you so much.
And lastly, we have our best evaluator today, Toastmaster Ilmi. Toastmaster Ilmi Please allow.
Side by side.
Yes.
Oh iya.
Ah,
Mandiri loh. Thank you so much.
terus saya ngepin
Alright.
All right, Toastmaster Ilmi, please give us your best smile. 1, 2, 3. Once more. 1, 2, 3. All right, thank you very much. Congratulations to all winners. All right, stop. Thank you. I give the control back to the GE or Toastmaster of the meeting. Toastmaster of the meeting.
Thank you so much,
Toastmaster Medi.
Toastmaster Raki, as our ballot counter for taking the votes and also making the certificates. Congratulations to Toastmaster Akara as the best prepared speaker, Toastmaster Dita as the best table topic speaker, and Toastmaster Ilmi as the best evaluator. I wish these awards would encourage people to deliver your speech and got your name jot in the certificate. And that would conclude our meeting of today. Thank you so much everyone for coming, for spending your time, for challenging yourself to deliver speech. And now I'm going to give the control back to our president, Toastmaster Iren, to conclude the meeting. Stage is yours. Gitu ya, saya lupa.
Yes. Thank you, Toastmaster Medi. And thank you everyone for coming. And maybe I want to ask Toastmaster, are you ready to take a role next week? Next week we have special meeting. Yeah.
alumni
Homecoming.
homecoming, anniversary.
Oh,
So
deh.
maybe we can take role in
Fortnite.
Yeah.
In 2 weeks.
in 2 weeks, 28, yeah.
Kayaknya.
Yes, okay. And maybe soon to be Toastmaster is me. Are you there? So
Yeah.
how did you see our meeting for today?
I'm impressed actually because there are so many members that can talk English fluently, like what I want to be. So I'm actually interested in the MOA Toastmasters class. How do I join? Anyway?
Hey, so if you want to join to our club, you can contact Toastmaster Aan. Toastmaster Aan will explain you more about our club.
Where is she located? In the office. Where is your Bangka?
Bangka Belitung, right?
Right. Yeah, that's
Do you
right.
like originally coming from Bangka Belitung?
What?
Are you originally coming from Bangka? Or do you
No.
live in Java actually?
No, my origin is Riau Island.
Riau? Oh, I see. If you ever visit Jakarta on Friday, please come to our offline meeting to experience. I think the best experience is the offline meeting. So if you ever come to Jakarta, and also to Mr. Arvin, are you in Jakarta, to Mr. Arvin?
My domicile Jakarta, is Jakarta.
Okay, so if you ever visit the headquarters at Fridays, just come to the offline meeting so that we could have like real fun in an offline setting.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you everyone for coming. But before closing our meeting for today,
Yes.
maybe we want to, maybe for the online meeting, you can also come with us. We want to celebrate the graduation for our meeting. We
So we bought a cake to for Medica, and it says congrats our girl.
We have this day. Jadi nanti kita fotonya kayak gini-gini. Ini this guys, we have this congratulations. Kembali.
So proud banget gak sih?
Do you want to end this meeting or? So
If
everyone,
if you want to join, you can join.
thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Arvin, thank you.
Yeah.
If you want to join,
Thank you, everyone.
Itu gambar aku.
Yeah, that's you. So see you next week, everyone. Wow.
Gini-gini. Jadi ada yang pengen ngomong ke saya.
Tadi harusnya buat yoga ya.
Kita kayak rame banget ya.
Iya, rame banget.
Terus Mas Arvin sampai pusing ya kita.
Congratulations with comedy.
Thank you to Mas Arvin. Please come to our offline meeting.
Okay.
Yes.
Bye, see you. Kita
Okay, Jen. Yeah.
See you Mas Arvin.
Aduh, kopi saya ini nih. Ini nggak sih jidat tetap cantiknya.
Ternyata begini ya toganya Harvard.
Sama aja kan aku
Izin live teman-teman, terima kasih. Selamat Maidi.